Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the additional. Yes, it's the additional, but not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, October the 26th, 2022. Told you earlier we have no additional, no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of the yesterday's newspaper, the Tuesday edition, October the 25th, 2022. We have here three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two stars Sudoku, and the tectonic. Tectonic with a 1 star. So three puzzles are left. I will do the first one, the letter Sudoku. This will be number 5387. 5387. Before I start, I always count the printed digits, but in this case, those are letters. 27 printed letters. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, for the 1 star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, for a letter Sudoku, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve a letter Sudoku. That's my time limit. And why? Because with digits, we have always 9 digits. But here, the letters are every time different. And the letters I can use are the K, the A, the R, the U, the E, the M, the T, the P, and the I. And the goal is to solve this word in the second row. It's a Dutch word. I will translate it later if I solve this in English. Okay. So let's get started. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this row, the third row. One of the missing letters is the M. We have an M in this big square, so no M in these 3 boxes. So the M could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another M in this column. No M there. Here an M in the column next, so no M there. The only place left for the M should be there. So we have an M in the third row, M in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see here M in the third column, so no M there. M should be there. Alright. M in this last row, M in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the M should be there. M in this column, M in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the M should be here, or there. We see an M in this row, no M there. Here an M in the middle row, so no M there. So the only place left for the M should be there. And all the M's are used. I can see letter number 1, letter M. Alright. Okay. And now, the E in the first column, the E in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the E should be there. E in this row, E in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the E should be there. Alright. E in this row. E in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the E should be there. Right. E. Cannot continue with the E now. I need more information. Wow. PP. And yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the I and a P. We have I and a P in the third column. So no I and a P in this box. The I and a P goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. I and a P, I and a P, I and a P. We have an I in this row. No I there. I should be here. And the P goes there. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter R. The R is missing. Alright. T and an A. Yeah, 2 missing letters now. In the third column, those missing letters are the T is missing and the A is missing. T and A, T and A. We have an A in this row, so no A there. A should be here. And the T goes there. U. The U is missing and the R. Okay. U. Well. U. T, yes. Well, we have here 5 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letter in this row is the letter T. We have a T in this big square, so no T in these 3 boxes. So the T could be here or there. Here or there. We see another T in the second column, so no T there. T should be there. Alright. A. Yeah. Okay, yeah. 4 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters is a K. We have a K in this column, so no K in this box. So the K could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another K in this column, so no K there. K in the middle column, so no K there. The only place left for the K should be there. And then P and A. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letter is an A. Well, we have an A in this column, so no A there. We have an A in this column, so no A there. So the only place left for the A should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this row for letters. The P is missing and the I is missing. P and I. We have a P in this column. No P there. P should be here. And I goes there. Then. P and a U. Alright. And the U. Come on. PP. Well. How about T? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter in this big square is the letter T. We have a T in this row. No T in these 2 boxes here. T in this column. No T in that box. So 1 box left for the T. Should be there. T. Okay. U is missing. I is missing. And the A is missing. And the A in this column, the A in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the A should be there. U and 2 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the I is missing, and the U is missing. I and the U. We have an I in this row. No I there. I should be here. And the U goes there. Right. R and the E. R and the E. Okay. U and then P. U and P. Okay. K. Yeah. I. Yeah. T. Still thinking. Yeah. PP. Come on. 2 missing letters in this row. For letters, R is missing. And the U is missing. R and the U, R and the U. We have a U in this column. No U there. U should be here. And the R goes there. U. Here. Can we R? Okay. One of the missing letter in the first row. We have 4 missing letters in the first row. One of the missing letter in the first row is the letter R. We have an R in this column, so no R in this box. So the R could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another R in this column, no R there. Here and R in the last column, so no R there. So the only place left for the R should be there. Alright. Well, 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. R is missing and the U is missing. R and the U, R and the U. Russia, hey, abbreviation for Russia. Well, we have R in this column, the R in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We have an R in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so no R there. R should be here. Okay, so 1 letter is missing in this column. For letter E is missing. E is missing. E is missing. So we have an E in the first row, E in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this column, no E there. E should be there. And all the E's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter E. Well. P and the T. 2 missing letters in this row for the letters. A is missing and the K is missing. A and a K, A and a K. Let me mark those. A and a K, A and the K. P and the U. Well. U. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letter in this column is the letter A. We have an A in this row, no A there. We have another A in the middle row, so no A there. So the A could be here or there. The A. We have another A in the third row, so no A there. So the only place left for the A should be there. Alright. PTK. 3 missing letters. Those missing letters in this column are the letters K is missing, the P is missing, and the T is missing. KPT, and look, we have a K and a P in this row, so no K and a P in this box. The K and a P goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. K and a P. We have a K in the middle row, so no K there. K should be here, and the P goes there. So 1 letter is missing in this column for letter T. Alright, T in the third row. T in the first row, so the row between. The only place left for the T should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter. T is missing here in this, the T. So we have a T in the last column, T in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. You see a T in the last row, no T there, T should be there. And all the T's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter T. Alright. Then. You, I. But I. Yeah. Well, two missing letters in this row. For letters P and the K are missing. P and the K. P and the K. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters I is missing. And the U is missing. I and the U. We have a U in this column. No U there. U should be here. And the I goes there. So one letter is missing in the first row for letter P is missing here. The P. U and I. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters U is missing and the I is missing. U and I. We have an I in this column. No I there. I should be here. And the U goes there. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters R is missing and no. We have an R. U is missing and a P is missing. U and a P. We have a U in the middle column. No U there. U should be here. And the P goes there. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the P. We have a P in the last row. No P in these two boxes. So one box left for the P. Should be there. P and a K. We have a P now in this column. So no P there. P should be here. And a K should be there. A and a K, we have a K now in the last column. So no K there. K should be here. And A goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters I is missing. And A is missing. I and A. We have an A in this column. So no A there. A should be here. And I goes there. Two missing letters in the last row for the letters R is missing and the K is missing. R and a K. We have a K in this column. No K there. K should be here and the R goes there. R and the U, we have an R now in the second column. No R there. R should be here. And the U goes there. Finished or solved this word. Let me fill those two missing letters first. In this big square, the I is missing and the U is missing. I and the U. We have an I in the first column. No I there. I should be here. And the U goes there. It's a Dutch word, ruimtepak. In English, space shoot. Yes, a space shoot. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, I told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a letter Sudoku. And I've solved this within the time limit. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. For this letter Sudoku. In a minute, I will continue with the other two puzzles, the 2 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.